Dear friends, in continuation with my previous topic about varicocele, today I'm going to discuss about various treatment options, what to do if varicocele is present. So, as mentioned earlier, varicocele generally leads to some discomfort or pain in the scrotum. Number 2, rarely it can lead to some shrinkage of the testes on that side. Number 3, it can be a cause of infertility. So, what to do if pain is present? Number 1, there can be many causes for the pain in the scrotum. Varicocele is one of them. It can be because of hydrocele also, it can be because of hernia also, it can be because of a cancer also, infection also, or even presence of stones in the ureter. All of it can lead to pain in the scrotum. How would you differentiate? So only way to differentiate is to get examined by a urologist and doing some further test like physical examination or an ultrasound of the scrotum. These things can ascertain whether what's the cause of the problem over there. It is also done to rule out serious disorders like a cancer of the testes. So many times varicocele is not the reason for the pain. If the varicocele is of small size, that is generally unlikely the cause for pain. So most of the times a trial of medications for relieving the pain will ease out the pain. It may require a 3 to 4 weeks duration of medications. If the pain does not subside in spite of repeated medications, or if the varicocele is very large and it is felt that there are no other reasons for the presence of pain, only then intervention is required for varicocele. Number 2, in case of infertility. Infertility means inability to father a child. The sperm parameters are not normal, either the count is low or there is a problem in the motility of sperms or there are abnormal types of sperms. All of these things can be present in isolation or combination. Just because varicocele is present and semen parameters are abnormal, that is not the truth. Not every varicocele is responsible for producing bad semen parameters. So in this situation also, many times some trial of medications which are called as antioxidants are given for a period of 3 months, especially if the varicocele is small. They may not necessarily be the cause of the infertility. So normally a urologist would give a trial of medication for 3 months, rule out any other causes of poor sperm parameters like smoking or any recent infection, stress, some industrial hazards. All that can lead to abnormal sperm parameters. If those are the reasons, those are corrected, maybe the sperm counts become normal. So in these situations also varicocele surgery may not be warranted. However, if the other causes are ruled out and a second degree, third degree varicocele is present, in that situation sometimes varicocele may be the culprit, and correction of varicocele can lead to improvement in sperm parameters, and in some of those men can lead to possibility infertility. So in case of male infertility, varicocele is one of the common causes and generally it is ruled out as a cause of infertility. Lastly, in case of a long standing third degree varicocele, there can be shrinkage of testes on that side. There are other causes of shrinkage of testes also, but if those are ruled out, then varicocele is considered the culprit and then surgery is warranted. Very rarely there can be a underlying kidney cancer on the right hand side and that may be the cause of varicocele, but that is very uncommon and that can be diagnosed by the treating urologist by doing an ultrasound or any other investigation like a CT scan. In those situations, then surgery for the kidney is required rather than the surgery for varicocele. So dear friends, there are no food materials. You may notice that many people are guiding that okay, you eat this and that and varicocele will disappear. There are some medication, some magic pills, none of that helps. There is no food stuff, there is no medication which can cure a varicocele. If varicocele is present, then treatment is either surgical or there can be some other treatment options like laparoscopic varicocelectomy or microscopic varicocelectomy, which is the best method, and some other methods like embolization and all that. So if you have some discomfort in the testes, or if you notice any lump in the testes, or if you are facing issues with the fertility or reduction in the size of the testes, always consult a urologist. There can be other causes of all these problems. Varicocele does not always require treatment, and if treatment is required, it is safe and efficient. And only downside of the treatment part, beat any treatment, laparoscopic, microscopic or embolization, recurrence chances are there, but that's a part and parcel of the disease. It can happen to anybody and it's generally harmless. So dear friends, this is Dr. Aman Gupta, Senior Consultant Urology and Kidney Transplant, and we shall meet again in future with similar topics. Thank you so much.